good news for KTM motorcycle owners. So this includes Husqvarna. Nagkaroon na ng new ownership. It's been speculated months and months ago pa lang when they are having their sale na tuloy-tuloy, di ba? So ito yung isa sa mga reason. Siguro sa stock out na ng old management kasi yung mga old stocks. So this is for the incoming new owner. I'll just put up the name kasi hindi ko na matandaan kung ano yung pangalan nung bagong owner yung company. Pero based sa binabasa kong comments, si Motor Ace daw, official distributor ba. Very very good news for KTM and Husqvarna motorcycle owners kasi syempre after sales niyan, kung may nasiraan or may kailangan ka ng pyesa, doon ka rin maghahanap naman, saka maghahanap. For the new models, hindi ko sure kung ano mangyayari, kung maglalabas pa sila ng new models dito. Hindi natin alam ano yung strategy ng bagong distributor. I don't know if what's the plan here, if they will try to introduce the new models kasi yung Sparkfill 401 may bagong model na like new generation na. So very very curious and looking forward to as to ano yung mangyayari.